we have studied the formula for solving the quadratic equation. Now we are going to study the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. We know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a are roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac is 0. The square root of 0 upon 2a. That means x is equal to either minus b plus 0 upon 2a or x is equal to minus b minus 0 upon 2a. That means we are left with the same values, x is equal to minus b upon 2a or x is equal to minus b upon 2a. We know that a, b and c are real numbers. Hence, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. So, let's see when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a or x is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That means since a, b, c are reals, both the roots are real and here it is plus and minus means both the roots are unequal, and hence we can conclude that if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots of quadratic equations are real and unequal. Case number 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means a negative number. Then the square root of b square minus 4ac, that means square root of a negative number, is not a real number. Hence, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots of quadratic equations are not real. Quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the quantity b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant and is denoted by Greek letter delta. Let's determine the nature of roots of the quadratic equations with some examples. Example number 1. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 2. The discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So, minus 7 square minus 4 into a means 2 into value of c is 2. 7 square 49 minus 16 is equal to 33. 33 a positive number that is greater than 0. Since value of delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. See another example. M square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. The value of discriminant, that is delta, is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is 2 square minus 4 into a 1 c 9. 2 square 4 minus 36. 36 have negative sign. The answer is minus 32, which is a negative number. That means here delta is less than 0. Hence roots are not real.